things dance and theatre school owners need to do to stop before Christmas. I'm all wearing my Christmas hat. Who am I? I am Sarah, founder of The Dance Den. I am a dance and theatre school business mentor and coach, and I empower you guys to make more money, have more time, and better life balance with your business. Now, all I can see out of this is this. Right, 5 things. Come on, let's do this. All right. Number 1 is that you must have a clear end date. That's when you go, bye-bye computer. All done. Close it down. Switch off. Done and dusted. And why? Because you deserve a break over Christmas. Down those tools, rest those legs, and just try and get that brain to just switch off if you can. Read a good book, drink an eggnog, I don't know, just chill. But it's important you have that date, because what that does is that it gives you this focus. Okay, I'm down in tools on the 17th or the 19th or the 20th or whatever that date may be. Make it a lunchtime if you want. That's what I'm doing this year. My computer gets closed at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. this year. Why? Why not? Right? So, when are you closing? Okay, because then you've got, right, okay, actually, now I've got 11 working days. Right, what do I need to get done in 11 working days? You make your list. You prioritize that list. You get your head down, with or without a dingly-dongly thing like this, and you get going, right? It gives you a really, really strong focus. All right, next one. I can't take myself seriously with this thing on. Number 2, let them know your hours. Who's them? Your customers, of course. Let your customers know your working hours. All right, if you are doing a couple of hours in between Christmas and New Year, for example, and you pop in and you say, do you know what, I'm going to do 2 mornings, let the customers know. Let them know when you're there to take inquiries, or particularly with inquiries coming in, let them know when those inquiries are likely to get answered. Yeah, at least they've got an expectation and they can go, all right, yeah, fair enough. She's off over Christmas, but hopefully we'll get an answer in between there and then. Or if you're off totally until New Year, again, let them know, just so that they know where they stand. Number 3, don't forget your out of office email, please. Now remember, your out of office email doesn't have to just be, I'm out of the office until March 2026. We wish, right? Now, it's actually an opportunity for you to upsell or sell. What do you mean, sir? Well, if they've put an inquiry form in that, you know, they've said, oh yeah, we want to come and join your dance classes, you have an opportunity to value add. You can send them a little video and say, thanks for inquiring with us. Here's some options. You can go to our YouTube channel and you can check out da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Or if you know you're ready to purchase your trial class, go book here if they haven't already done that. Yeah, you've got an opportunity to use that email to show everybody what your school is all about and or make a sale. All right. Now, while we're on the subject of out of office, don't forget the phone. This is the one I always forget, right? If you've got an answering machine message on your phone, don't forget to update it. Yes? Right. Number 3, schedule your Christmas posts. Get them out there in advance. Everybody does the Christmas, New Year, Boxing Day, whatever it is you choose to do, but put them out there in advance so that you're not there when you should be focused on happy days, having party times. I don't know what I'm doing in this. It's just this Christmas hat is like giving like some extra like craziness to me. I don't know. Schedule those posts. And the last one, and maybe this should have been the first one, but okay, it's now the last one. Outstanding invoices and bills. that something you have to chase. You don't want someone sending you an email in the middle, in between Christmas going, you haven't paid this bill, and da-da-da-da, and you just go, "Rrr." Yeah? Clear the decks. Clear the decks. Same token, get any outstanding invoices in. Yeah? Or make a payment plan. If somebody is struggling, make that payment plan, get that nailed down. But sort out that so that you can go, I've done it. All right? 5 things to do before Christmas. Oh, and don't forget, give my craziness a follow. And a like for the Christmas hat.